Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to start our discussing about mathematics. And today we are going to start with Form 1 mathematics. So we are starting with topic number 1, which is numbers. We are starting with topic number 1, which is numbers. So in this topic number 1, which is numbers, today we will learn about the first subtopic of this topic, which is base 10 numeration. Base 10 numeration. So at the end of this session, you must be knowing what the meaning of base 10 numeration and what is the advantage of base 10 numeration. Now, first, before discussing about the base 10 numeration, you need to understand about the concept of a number. What do we mean when we are saying a number? What does it mean? Now, a number is the thinkable idea. When we say 2, a certain idea comes in your head. Kwa hiyo, a number ni idea ya kufikirika, ni kitu ambacho kinafikirika. Tukisema 2, kuna kitu kinakuja, okay, 2. Kuna kitu kinakuja kichwani. Tukisema 100, yani 100, kuna kitu kinakuja kichwani. That is a thinkable idea. Hiyo ndio number. Lakini in definition tunasema a number is a mathematical object that can be used in counting or measuring. A number is the mathematical object that can be used in counting or measuring. So always in counting, we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are numbers. And also in measurements, we are measuring 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So kwenye kuhesabu na kwenye kupima tunatumia numbers. Sasa numbers, they are written by using symbols. And these symbols used to write numbers, they are called numerals. So numerals, these are symbols used to represent numbers. So numerals ni symbols which are used to represent number. For example, when we write 1 is the number, but this is the symbol which represents 1. 200 is the number, but writing this symbol and this symbol, tunakuwa tumeandika 200. 310. So 300 is the number, but writing this symbol and this one represent 300. So this is the numeral, and this is the numeral, and also this one is the numeral. So numerals, they are symbols which are used to represent numbers. So any number, tukitaka tuiandike kwenye piece of paper, tukisema 100, yani 100, 100 is the thinkable idea. Tukitaka kuandika kwenye piece of paper, tunaandika kama 100. Ile 100 is called as the numeral. Now numerals, they are made up of digits. Digits are the symbols that make up numerals. Numerals are made up of digits. So the numerals, they are made up of digits. Digits kwa Kiswahili tarakimu. So for example, tukiwa tuna 1, this is a single digit. But also it is a numeral. Tukiwa tuna 200, these are the 3 digits or triple digits. They are 3 digits. So here we have 3 digits, but this is only one numeral. So this is one numeral representing 200. So it is also a numeral. You see, numeral is made up of digits. So when we say 1989, this is the numeral as whole, but it has 4 digits. 1 is the digit, 9 is the digit, 8 is the digit, and 9 again is the digits. And in terms of digits, we have only 10 digits which make up numerals and numbers. We have only 10 digits which make up numerals and numbers. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have only these 10 digits which make up all numerals and all numbers. All numerals and all numbers. So kila namba unaijua duniani is made up of these 9 digits. We call these as digits. Kwa Kiswahili tarakimu. So tumeshaelewa, a number is the thinkable idea. Hii thinkable idea, or sometimes we are defining a number as the mathematical object that can be used in counting or measuring. So this mathematical object, tukitaka kuiandika on a piece of paper, we are using numerals. Numeral. So when a number is written in a piece of paper, it is called as the numeral. So from the numeral, we have digits, which are symbols, make up the numerals. So numerals, they are made up of the digits, and digits can be 1, can be 2, 3, 4, 5. A number can have 1 digit or more than 1 digit, and a number is made up of digits. So that's the first thing you need to understand in part of number. First thing you need to understand in part of numbers. Now from there, what you need to understand again is about counting the numbers. So I know you have this knowledge from your primary school, counting the numbers from 1 to even 100. In your primary school, you learned about it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. You need to know about the knowledge of counting the numbers in the English language. You need to know counting at least to 100, and then you need to know how to convert from the numerals into words and from words into numerals. So in this part, I will need you to just review your counting from 1 to 100, and then know how to convert the numerals into digits. For example, when we write this is the numeral. Now in words, this is 64. If we are asked to pronounce this in words, it is 64. But also when we write 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 4. In numbers, tunavyokuwa tunaandika 1, 0, 0, 2, 4. We always divide the numbers in a group of 3 from right to the left. That means this is the same as to write as 10 and then 0, 2, 4. So this and this, they are written as the 2 separate groups. However, it is the same number. So from here, tunakuwa tuna place values. That is the position of a digit in a number. Position of a digit in a number. In Swahili we call mamoja, makumi, mamia, maelfu, kumi elfu. So this is in the 10,000s. That is to say, this is 10,024 in words. 10,024. All of these zeros in English, we pronounce them as and. So the word and stands for any number of zeros which are present between numbers. The zeros which are present between numbers. Zero between numbers. zero between numbers, we pronounce them as and. So I will end up here, and I will left you with the questions of converting the numerals into words, and some of the questions of converting the words into numerals. And then in the next session, we'll be discussing about the place values. Still, we are in the part 1 of the topic, discussing about the base 10 numeration. So in the next session also, you will understand what does it mean by the term base 10 numeration. Tunaposema base 10 numeration tunakuwa tunamaanisha nini? So in this session, you need to understand about the definition of number. Number is the mathematical object that can be used in counting or measuring. After that, you need to understand about numerals. So number inakuwa iko kichwani. Ukifikiria kichwani, unapata tukisema 2 kichwani inakuja idea 2, maana yake ni vitu viko hivi. Lakini tukitaka kuandika ile 2 kwenye karatasi tunatumia numerals. So kuandika 2 kwenye karatasi tutaandika, this is what we call the numeral. Kuandika 20 kwenye karatasi tutaandika, this is what we call the numeral. Lakini toka hapo numeral imetengenezwa na nini? Na digit. This is a numeral. Numeral imetengenezwa nini? Na digits. 20 imetengenezwa na 2 pamoja na 0. 2 and 0. These are called digits. Na kama tulisema digits zinaanzia 0 hadi 9. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this marks the end of our first session. If you have not understood anything, you can contact me through my Telegram, and I will share with you some of the summarizations of these which we have discussed, and the quiz at the end of this session. Thank you, and later wish you nice studies.